Hi, my name is David Volk. I'm a truck accident lawyer in San Antonio, Texas, and I want to talk to you about what to do initially when you're hit by a commercial truck, and one of the things that you need to look out for and protect yourself against. Now remember, if you're hit by an 18-wheeler or a truck that's registered to a business, usually the driver and the business itself are going to handle the situation differently than someone that's just driving to the grocery store and looks at their phone and rear ends you. And here's what I mean. So I've had cases and situations where somebody gets hit by a commercial truck or an 18-wheeler, and before the police even show up, the trucking company has already dispatched a representative, an adjuster, some sort of agent of that trucking business to try to calm and quell the situation to avoid the police being called. And so that's something that you need to look for right away. These are people that are in business, that know that the stakes are high if there's a trucking accident, and may be doing some things that are a little bit in the gray area to try to convince you not to make a claim against their insurance policy and against their business. So these are things I've seen in my career. Cash offered at the scene, an attempt to dissuade you from calling the police so there's no police report. I've even seen situations where trucking companies have advised you that everything is okay, they'll take care of the damages just to give you their information. You give them the information, you leave, then they call the police and say, look, car came and rear-ended me, and they tell a different story. So you got to understand that a trucking company is in business, and an insurance claim is a threat to their business, no matter how big or small the case is. A trucking company could have a very large deductible to defend a lawsuit, and so their incentive is to try to avoid a claim being made against them. And they may do some things in a gray area to avoid you trying to make a claim. Now, if something like that were to happen, if you're ever in an accident with an 18-wheeler, a commercial truck, a business truck, it could even be a regular car that is an agent or delivery service for a business. If it's anything like that, what you need to do is, as soon as you're able to, as soon as you get that initial medical care, contact a truck accident lawyer in San Antonio, Texas, like us, and we can help you. One thing that is important to note is that a lot of times these companies are operating nationwide. And it could be a company in Nebraska that's delivering, potatoes here in San Antonio. So they may not have a claims person and a claims team in Texas, and so it's good to have a truck accident lawyer in San Antonio where the accident happened to be able to get in there, find out where the company is, find out who's the registered agent of that company, get the claim open, find the insurance policy, get the name and identity of the driver. And truck companies and 18-wheeler companies, by law, they have to maintain records about the safety of the truck. Because it's not just the driver. Their actual giant piece of machinery needs to be safe too. And so at the end of the day, if you're injured in a trucking accident, an accident with an 18-wheeler, an accident with any sort of commercial or business vehicle, contact us. We're the law firm of Volk and McRoy, and my name is David Volk. I'm one of the partners here. You can call us at 210-377-1414 or find us online at lawyer210.com.